Looking at question 9, it says a design has been selected for carrier bags which will be used at the party. We now need to select which type of bag to order. The print shop have sent the following email. In the email, it tells you different weight limits of each bag. Based on the research, people may buy up to 4 items. The weight of each item is given in the table below. It's asking which carrier bag would ensure people could buy any 4 items they choose. Are there any items which could not go into the carrier bag? So, having a look at the denominators, we have fifths, we have quarters, we have tenths, and we have thirds. So lots of different denominators. We need to find the lowest common multiple of all those different denominators. Now, a way to do that is to express each number as a factor of primes. So we know that 5 is a prime itself, 4 can be expressed as 2 times 2, and 10 can be expressed as 2 times 5, and 3 is a prime. Now, I'm going to just rub out the 2 times 2 because I'm going to express it as 2 squared. Looking at those numbers, if I was then to highlight each number with the highest power, so 5 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2 is higher than 2 to the power of 1, and 3 to the power of 1, and then multiply them. So we have 5 times 4, which is times 3, which is 20 times 3, which is 60. That will give you your lowest common denominator. So we know we're working in 60ths. I'm going to go ahead and try and draw this email. We've got our paper bags, which are 3/5, and our plastic bags, which are 1 3/4. Our bag for life, which is 3 9/10 of a kilogram, and our Hessian, let's write H, which is 5 2/3. We need to get all of these fractions into 60ths. So we know 5 times 12 is 60, 4 times 15, 60, 10 times 6 is 60, and 3 times 20 is 60. Now what we do to the bottom, we always do to the top, so we're timesing the numerator by the same amount. Which will give you for the paper 36 over 60. For plastic, you will get 1 45 over 60. For bag for life, you get 3 54 over 60. And for your Hessian, you've got 5 40 over 60. So now we can see that the Hessian bag carries the most. It would be the one I would initially have thought to go with, because the biggest bag will fit the most in, but we will see. So we've got our smartphone, which is 1/5 of a kilogram, which equals 12/60. We've got our laptop, which is 2 1/3, which equals 20/60. 2 20/60. We've got our drone, which is 2/3, which will be 40/60. Our console, which is 4 kilograms and 1/5, which will be 12/60. Our tablet, which is 4/5 of a kilogram, which will be 12/60. It won't be 12/60. It will be 48/60. And then I have smartphone, laptop, drone, console, tablet, your virtual reality headset, which is half, so it will be 30/60. And then finally our tablet, our PC, sorry, which will be 11 and 12/60. We can have a look then, and we can see immediately that our PC is going to be too heavy for any bags. So the answer, are there any items which could not go into the carrier bag? It would be the PC. And then we know that we've got 5 40/60 of the Hessian bag. We're looking at that. We can quite easily get 4 lots of smartphones. We can get 2 laptops and possibly 1 smaller item in, but 2 laptops would give you 4 40/60, which would only give you 1 kilogram to fit in something else. So with that one, if you did buy 2 laptops, you would only be able to get the drone in, so this one here, or the tablet, or the smartphone. So the restrictions on the bags is that, or the virtual reality headset, the restrictions on the bags are that the PC will not fit in, no matter what size bag you get. And if you get the Hessian bag and choose to buy 2 laptops, then you are restricted to only a 3rd item. And that, I think, is all of your answer.